So the watch has only 4 LEDs and it displays time in binary format. And before getting into the time display, short reminder of the binary system itself. In a binary system, single bit can be either on or off, which is also commonly 1 or 0, where bit represents a logical state with one of two possible values. A system of n bits can display 2 to the power of n numbers. Every green LED on the watch represents a single bit. And since the watch has 4 LEDs, then it can represent 16 numbers. And that is not enough to display time in 24-hour format, right? Not unless you do it sequentially. For example, let's look at the number 70 to the 8. We can take each number one after the other and display it in binary format sequentially. Therefore, 1 becomes 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. 7 becomes 0, 1, 1, 1. 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. And finally, 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. Easy, right? But some of you might already see an issue. What if the time is, let's say, 11 p.m.? How will you know that the time isn't, let's say, 12 p.m. 23 minutes? How will you know where the sequence starts and where it ends? Or which number of the sequence is displayed right now while you're looking at it? All of this is easily fixed by introducing fifth LED, which is also called mode LED. It's the one LED on the right side of red color. Before each digit, the mode LED blinks n times, where n equals to the position of a digit currently displayed, so from 1 to 4. Blink duration of the fifth LED distinguishes mode, shortest for time, medium, date, and longest for year. After the sequence is over, all 5 LEDs blink simultaneously, 3 times to mark the end of a sequence. Quick tour on how this thing was built. Schematics and layout in EasyEDA Pro, since it integrated directly with JLCPCB's order flow. 4-layer board, 42 by 42 millimeters, and it cost me around $120. Timekeeping is offloaded to real-time clock. Power comes off a LiPo battery through LiPo charger and a low dropout regulator. 5 LEDs on the front, 4 greens for the digit and 1 red for the mode. Assembly was done by the manufacturer. I simply could care fucking less try to solder SMD components in 0402 package. All source files, schematics, Kerbers, BOM, firmware are on GitHub. Link is in the description. А также на Хабре есть статья на русском, где все описано и еще более подробно.